We don't have a chicken hat, though. Does anybody happen to have a chicken hat? No, of course not. Come on up, buddy. And Mackenzie, you got to come up here, too. Now, we do this song on a regular basis out at Silver Dollar City with the Homestead Pickers. And every single one of us take a verse, so I only know one verse. Now, Mackenzie is our friend, and she comes out to see us, and she knows every verse of this song. So she's going to lay it on. Okay, and this is Joshua. Put your hands together for Joshua. And this is Caleb. And they're going to be the roosters. So that means you have to pass the mic to them. You have to hold the mic down there when they do the rooster. Are you guys going to take turn doing this? All right, are you ready? Are you excited? I'm excited too. Okay, you ready? One in a different key, one in our key.